of Delhi chapter, the activities of Delhi chapter. Since ISTD Delhi chapter is not a corporate, and we don't have the luxury of having the onboarding for every batch of members who join in, we thought why not have a webinar kind of, not webinar, it's a Zoom meeting kind of program where we meet everyone and we get to know each other. So that's the genesis of this. So what I would suggest is that let's get to know each other first. So I would request each we have quite a few of our managing committee members here. So I would request each member to introduce themselves, followed by introduction by the new members, so that we get to know each other. And then I would request our chairman to give a very brief overview of the chapter as well as the activities what we do. And then if there are any question answers, we will take those questions. So let me start with myself. My name is Ajay Sahu. I'm the honorary secretary for ISTD Delhi chapter, and that's one of the hats that I wear. Apart from that, I am also a consultant. I do management and HR consulting, which I've been doing for the last 4 years. And before that, I was out of India. I was a global group HR head for two groups, Aldaboi and Genesis group of companies. And I was stationed in Dubai, and I was looking after the MENA region, Middle East and North Africa, South Africa, Europe, and China. And apart from, so we were into manufacturing of premium tires. And I, apart from that, I have experience in four other sectors of the economy. I am into power, infrastructure, building materials also. So that's about me. I would now request Mr. Jain and other managing committee members to give a brief profile of themselves. Then we go from there. Thank you. Mr. Jain.
Good evening, friends. My name is Mukesh Kumar Jain, and I am chairman of ISTD Delhi chapter. I work for Godfrey Phillips India Limited. It's a Modi Group company. And I am having total 40 years experience to my account. And I worked with JK Tyre, LML Limited, Global Career Solutions, and now for last 12 years with Godfrey Phillips. I am heading the Corporate Affairs Department of Modi Enterprises. Thank you very much.
Good evening. My name is D.V. Shastri. I am the Vice Chairperson of ISTD Delhi chapter, and I worked for GAIL India Limited, a Maharatna company of Government of India under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. I also worked as the Director Personnel of Electronics Corporation of India and a Director on the Board of GAIL Gas Limited. I spent a good amount of time in learning and development while working in GAIL, and at present I am working as Executive Director, Natural Gas Society of India, which is an NGO type of organization dedicated to the cause of promoting gas industry in India. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shastri.
Mr. Arpit.
Hello, good evening, friends. I am Arpit Suri. I am the honorary treasurer of the Delhi chapter, and I am also a practicing chartered accountant. And apart from that, I'm the co-founder of a online mental health startup, Talk to Angel. And before doing my chartered accountancy practice and my startup, I was associated with Deloitte, and I was working there with international taxation. That's all from my side.
Thank you, Mr. Suri. Mr. Deepak Jain.
Yes, good evening, friends.
Good evening.
Myself Deepak Jain. I am a company secretary by profession. After working in the corporate sector for 25 years, now doing practice for the last 2-3 years as company secretary. I am also a motivational speaker, founded one Vijesh Foundation 5 years back, which is a learning and development organization for the underprivileged and the other sector of the society. I'm also the founder director of Vijesh Learning and Development Private Limited, a mental health startup organization. It is in the well-being industry, creating awareness on mental health and creating awareness and yoga and meditation. Speaking is my passion. I love speaking. That's it. We can discuss other things during the session. Thank you.
Thank you. Sucheta ma'am there? I don't see her. Okay. So we'll start with the new members. Who would like to go first? Let me call out the names maybe. Santosh Akela, Mr. Santosh Akela.
Hi everyone, my name is Santosh and I'm having an experience of 6 years into IT, retail and also learning and development. Currently I'm working with one of the MNCs in the sector of education assessments and training, and I'm acting as a behavioral training facilitator. Apart from that, I'm also having 7 international certifications in learning and development. And I'm also currently pursuing my diploma in training and development with ISTD.
Which batch are you, Santosh?
83.
83rd batch.
Yeah.
Thank you. Welcome to ISTD.
Thank you.
Mr. Rakesh Malhotra.
नमस्कार जी, मैं हूं डॉक्टर राकेश मल्होत्रा. I earned my degrees of MSc Dairy from National Dairy Research Institute. Then I did my PhD and went on to do my DLIT also, Doctor of Literature from Lucknow University. I have served for about 22 years in NABARD. Basically, I come from the government sector. I think I'm the odd man out between the Delhi chapter. Having served in NABARD, I took VRS and did a lot of many other innovations. For example, during NABARD, I was also a faculty at BIRD. I don't know if anybody have heard of it. It is one of the premier training institutes internationally. Then I was also director of a regional rural bank for 7 years, which I converted the loss-making bank into a profit-making bank after having wiped out the accumulated losses. And from NABARD, I moved on to Agriculture Finance Corporation and then to the government of Rajasthan. I was the first managing director of the Rajasthan Skill Mission. That skill mission now almost is there in every state now. And the Rajasthan Skill Mission, which we promoted, has now become a university. From there, I moved on to the Government of India, where I was taken up as NRLM. If you've heard of NRLM, it is National Rural Livelihood Mission, the world's biggest poverty alleviation and empowerment program for the women on the globe. That is called Ajivika, in other words. I was again called by the Chief Secretary of the Rajasthan, and I was made the project director for NRLM for the Government of Rajasthan. There I worked for a couple of years. Then I was called at New Delhi by the Government of India, and then I was heading the entire capacity building and financial inclusion issues of NRLM for the nation. And then the UNDP moved me to Madhya Pradesh. I was head of the UNDP for a couple 4 or 5 years. And from there, I took my retirement, and 1 year back, I came back to Delhi, where my house is. And here, I'm a senior visiting faculty to Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, which is in the name for many reasons. And also, I have promoted my own small trust or NGO, which is by the name of IDEA, Innovations in Development and Empowerment Alternatives, where I do a lot of research and internship programs, as well as consultancy in the fields of livelihood, governance, policy advocacy, gender empowerment, and so many other things. So it has been about 40 years I was in service, but now continuing to do something. And I joined ISDN with the view that I should be learning something more and putting into use the great expertise this group has in teaching, research, and education in my future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Malhotra. Mr. B. Bhushan, please.
Hello, good evening, everybody. Thank you very much for this opportunity to interact with everybody out here. I happen to have quite a mixed kind of a background. I would start the beginning. 1974 is the year when I joined Indian Air Force in the HR and administrative field. Continued with the Indian Air Force for about 25 years till 99. In 99, I took VRS from Indian Air Force and joined the corporate sector. The company I joined was a Japanese MNC called Mitsui & Company, where I was heading HR and legal for the Southwest Asia sector. Continued with that company for about 13 years. And then when I superannuated from Mitsui, I went back to my alma mater and I joined Symbiosis, the college from where I did MBA in 1982 as a faculty. So I continued with the Symbiosis till the time this COVID had hit. My last class was the day lockdown started. Since then, I've been at home. Since I'm a senior citizen, I little careful about hope. Otherwise, it's not in your hand, but care is in your hand. Try to take care, and at present, I'm online. Most of the things I do online. I law from Delhi University, MBA from Symbiosis. It's a pleasure to join ISTD. I'm a life member of DMA, National HRE Network, and now ISTD.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Mr. Amit, go ahead.
Good evening, and a very thanks to all the managing committee member for welcoming us. So I don't know whether Mr. Malhotra is the odd man out or I am, because I'm actually a serial entrepreneur. You know,
wow.
last 20 years, I like to say I've shut down more than a dozen ventures. So some of them have been very successful, which I continue to run now, which includes an adventure sports training outfit, which recently got funded by Mahindra Holidays. And I run a logistics and freight forwarding business. I run a banking and finance institute, and I run a skill development company. So right from the beginning of my career, I've had a lot of interest in training and development. So I've never done a formal training in TND, but I've done a lot of certifications, train the trainer programs, etc. Plus, I had, as one of my projects, handled the training and development for 14 lakh LIC agents all across India over a period of 2.5 years. So I worked on the entire upskilling of agents to modernize them. So I still have a lot of interest in training and development, though I'm personally not able to devote much time to it now, since some of my business ventures require more time. But I thought joining ISTD would give me an outlet to keep expanding my thoughts and ideas on training. So thank you so much for welcoming me to the chapter.
Thank you, Mr. Goel. In fact, in ISTD, we used to do lots of programs, but mostly they were like classroom programs.
Right.
But going forward, if we are going to have some outbound training programs, we know who to come to.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, Ms. Pallavi Jain.
Hi everyone, I am Pallavi Jain, and am I audible?
You are.
Okay. So I did my graduation in computer science engineering from Bangalore, but so after working in TCS for 2 years, somehow I was like, this is not my cup of tea. So I changed my profession to fashion designer. I joined NIFT, did 2 courses over there, and Pearl Academy, I did my master's. Now I work with Rahul Mishra, one of the famous designers in India, best designer. So I trained under him for 6 months. Now I've started my own studio, fashion studio in Delhi.
Really? Okay. I'm not sure if we can afford your clothes, but yes.
No, it's open for all.
Okay, right. Yeah, Ms. Ankita Sharma.
A very good evening, everyone. I'm Ankita Sharma. I'm a law graduate. I'm a corporate lawyer by profession. I'm a BLLB graduate from Jindal Global Law School. I have a total experience of 6 years in the field of law with a specialization in corporate law. I had the privilege of working with 2 renowned law firms in Bombay, Solomon and Company and Desai Devanji. Currently, I have my individual private practice where I'm panel legal consultant for multiple companies. And I look forward to be a part of ISTD Delhi chapter and interact with the talented minds to gain more knowledge. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Dr. Reshmi Manna.
Good evening, everyone. Sorry, I forget to switch on the light. But my name is Reshmi, and currently I am working as associate professor with NTPC School of Business. This is a very new school. It's hardly 5 years old. It is promoted by NTPC Limited and mentored by IIM Ahmedabad. And what I basically do there, yes, we are running 2 PGDM course, one for executive, one for full time. So we teach there also. But apart from them, we do training of different energy companies. Like I'm working with BSES Yamuna, I'm working with Nuclear Power Corporation India Limited. So training is an integral part, and that give me a thought that I should join ISTD, where I can interact with, stalwarts like you all and learn many things from you, so that whatever I learn from you, I can implement them here in my current portfolio. And what I have my past experience, I'm having total 20 years of experience as academic and a corporate, but corporate experience was all from IT. I did my PhD in psychology and postdoctorate from IIT Delhi, that is in ergonomics. I don't know, that is a HR subject, how many people has learned, but my whole career is dedicated as a psychologist. I taught this subject in the Gargi College also. So I hope, as in psychologist, whatever required in a training and development, I just want to contribute to ISTD, and I want to learn from all of you. Thank you so much for this session. This introduction session means a lot for us. Thank you.
Thank you. And Dr. Reshmi was a very eminent speaker yesterday, and her program was very, very informative and very, a lot of takeaways and learnings people had yesterday. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mukesh. Thank you so much.
Okay, Ms. Pallavi Jain.
I'm done, sir.
You're done. Okay. Dr. Ankit Singh. Mr. Singh, are you there? Mr. Ankit Singh. No, okay. Colonel Ashok Ghoshal.
Good evening, everybody. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
You may not be able to see my photo on the screen because there is some problem with the camera.
Okay.
Anyway, let me introduce myself. I'm Colonel Ghoshal. Being from the army background, I've served in many of the states, and being at the thick of militancy, had very close encounter with death. But then I had bonus life. I continued. Sought premature retirement after about 20 years. Then got a break in Delhi, was looking after the HR department. Then I got a break abroad in Abu Dhabi as the executive director, where I had a lot of experience working with the Americans and the Britishers, and learned a lot about the security of oil field and gas field companies. Had a tenure of about 11 years over there, then came back to India, again joined the company, but because of this COVID, and being a senior citizen, I thought it was proper to seek a premature retirement, and I put my boots down and I quit the job. Now I'm enjoying my retired life, but I've been an instructor of personality development. I felt it was better that one must keep doing something before he goes down. So I took up yoga. I'm learning yoga. I'm going to teach others also. I would be taking classes for boys and girls on personality development. I'm learning music from my daughter. She's teaching me synthesizer. I'm learning tabla. And I go for walk, keep my body fit. and that makes me fit. And one thing, I did my PGDM from ISTD. Also, I taught my course in the evaluation of training subject and one more subject I don't remember. But I had a very good memories of ISTD. So after serving the nation in various border areas, I felt it was better to be a member of ISTD and remain in touch with ISTD training and development. And it would be my privilege. I would definitely like to interact with Mr. Deepak Jain, who happens to run a NGO, I believe. I would like to join an organization like that and would like to do something without any pay or anything like that, to give it to the poor or to the society. I don't know how much help I'll be of to him, but definitely I would love to do a kind of this thing because God has given me everything. Thank you very much. That was a short information about myself. Thank you.
Right. Thank you, Colonel Kaushal. It's really impressive. Okay, Miss Neha Shukla.
Good afternoon to all of you. Am I audible?
You are. Would you like to come on video, Neha, if your bandwidth is okay? Okay, I think you have.
It is not coming, sir. My problem.
Yeah, no problem.
Actually, there's some problem again, so I could not come.
Your voice is
myself,
breaking.
I'm Neha Shukla, HR professional in Genius India Limited. Hello.
Yeah, the voice is breaking.
Am I audible?
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
I am an HR professional in Genius India Limited.
Yeah.
And I am a very keen academician. I'm pursuing my PhD also, and in HR. It happened to me as being a member of ISTD. I was looking for some membership in the area of HR, and I could see that the golden jubilee year of ISTD is on the web page. So I just got a lucky opportunity to be the part of ISTD and enrolled myself as a member of ISTD. Hello.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Are you working in Anubha's group? Anubha T. Agrawal?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, not in her group. Basically, I am into promotions department.
Okay, okay.
She's looking after training these days, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
So finally, I would want all the new members to meet Arun. Arun is our staff from the ISTD Delhi office, and you would get to interact with him sometime or other. Arun, आप थोड़ा अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताइए और थोड़ा वीडियो में आइए.
Sir, very good evening, sir. Very good evening to all of you. I am Arun Kumar from Indian Society for Training and Development, ISTD Delhi. I am just working over there as an office executive for the past 2 years. If any query related to the membership details, if any query related to the details you are needed for the ISTD as a chapter level, so I will be definitely help to you all. Right? Okay, sir. Thank you.
अरुण अपना नंबर मोबाइल नंबर भी आप चैट बॉक्स में दे दीजिएगा.
Yeah, sure. I will share the contact details on my.
Yes. Okay. So there's I want all of you to meet one more member of our group. Alok. Alok, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, Alok provides IT support to all of us. Alok, would you like to introduce yourself? Yeah.
Yes, sure. Good evening, everyone. I welcome you on board to ISTD. I am Alok Agrawal. So we are the outsourced vendor partners for ISTD for all their IT and the Zoom support. Personally, I'm an CEO of an IT company. We run a digital marketing and a web company. And in my personal capacity, I'm the Southeast Asia's trainer for Facebook project journalism. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Alok. So before I make the floor open, I would request our chapter chairman, Mr. Mukesh Jain, to give us a brief about the chapter, its activities, and the do's and don'ts for the members. Mr. Jain sir.
Thank you, Ajay ji. Thank you very much. And it is really very nice to meet so many, senior members and my colleagues who have recently joined ISTD. Friends, ISTD, I welcome you all to this wonderful evening where we will having interaction with each other. Friends, Indian Society for Training and Development, ISTD, established in 1970, is a premier national institute and celebrated recently its Golden Jubilee. ISTD has large membership of more than 9,000 members, 9,000 institutional and individual members across India, and is having around 46 chapters. Mainly the members are from government, public sector undertaking, private sector organization and enterprises, educational and training institutions, and the other professional bodies. The society is affiliated to the International Federation of Training and Development Organization, IFTDO, and for which IFTDO is, if everything goes well, we have planned a IFTDO World Conference in November in Delhi. And Asian Regional Training and Development Organization, RTDO, Manila. The society publishes a quarterly journal, Indian Journal of Training and Development. I feel you must have got with your membership. ISTD conducts a diploma in training and development, a correspondence course through distance learning of 18 months duration for the purposes of recruitment to superior posts under the central government and PSUs. We at ISTD consider enlightening the member and enriching the profession as our key responsibilities. Hence, we organize conferences, conclave, learning session, etc. from time to time. Friends, we are also having our website in the name of ISTD Delhi, ISTD Delhi.
मुकेश जी आप म्यूट हो गए.
I'll show you our website, sir.
Right.
Just a second. Please give me one moment. This is our website, istddelhi.in. So please visit once our website, where you can have. This is our management committee of Delhi chapter. We are having an advisory board. We in our gallery you will find a lot of programs, webinars in the last 1 year. We have did lot of webinars, all from April 10th, 2020 till date. All the webinars with their video recordings you will find, and they are very, very useful. So I will request you to go through. Recently in September, we have conducted a regional conference, national conclave. So all the video of all the 4 technical session, inauguration and valedictory and a cultural program you will find here. So this is like that. So this is membership benefit. If you go to our website, you will find membership benefits mentioned here. All the benefits are mentioned here. And you can visit our national body website also. istd.in is the URL for that site also. You will find a lot of information there also. So this is all about short. And presently, ISTD Delhi is having around 762 members with us. And the chapter is as old as ISTD, is functioning since 1970. And recently we have celebrated our 51st, foundation day. So ISTD Delhi is a very vibrant chapter, and in term of number of members, we are number 2 in India. And very recently in 2018-19, we got the best chapter award for amongst 46 chapters. So this is a short story, and we'll have more interactions, and we'll have, one thing more I would like to mention here. We are having a evening lecture series, which is called For the Member, by the Member. So whosoever is interested to deliver a lecture for 45 minutes, 1 or 2, jointly, single or 2 jointly, they can write to Madam Pratama Kaushal or Arun Kumar at delhichapter.istd@gmail.com. Arun, please give the number of email ID and a number of office also. So this is a very short description of ISTD and Delhi chapter. And we are having a very strong team with us. With me, Sastry Saab, he has already introduced Mr. Sahu. So if we see, we are having more than 300, years experience with us in Delhi chapter. And if we'll count all the members' experience, it will be in thousands. So we all, I, on behalf of Management Committee of Delhi chapter, invite you all to please come forward, join the movement, and make it a success. And let us take ISTD Delhi chapter to next level soon. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Thank you, Mr. Jain. Okay, so my request to all the new members is that in whichever field of training and development you want to contribute, please write to us so that we will be able to involve you in those activities. Mr. Jain mentioned that we have this 4 members, 5 members. Every Saturday we have this program. So if you want to be a speaker, you are welcome to join us as a speaker. If you want to, we also plan to start a newsletter for Delhi chapter. So if you want to contribute to that as a contributor or in the editorial board, you definitely welcome all of you for that. And any other expertise you would like to bring to the table, you are most welcome. You can write to Arun, and we would take that up. So now I would have the floor open for any questions you or clarifications you want to seek from the managing committee and the chairman. Yeah. Mr. Akela, you have raised your hand.
Sahuji, maybe we can check whether Mr. Ankit Singh has come online, and there is also one Mr. Rajesh Kashyap, who's
joined later. Okay.
It looks like.
Right. Mr. Ankit Singh, can you hear us? Would you like to introduce yourself?
Thank you so much for giving me the chance again. Actually, I heard you the first time as well, but I was connected with my Mac device and it was not allowing me to use my microphone and camera. So I switched to the Windows device.
Okay.
So as an introduction of myself, I did my master's from ICFAI Gurgaon. My core subject of the master's was human relations, means HRM, human resource management. So with this, my keen interest develops in the area of behavioral aspect at the workplace. So where employees enter, how they behave. This is my core specific research area where I like to explore my abilities in this. And I'm also a certified Six Sigma Green Belt from ISI. And During my experience horizon, I started working with ABG, Aditya Birla Group, their retail chain function and their other things. Their group activities, they also monitor their. Post that, I joined the HR Knowledge Lab, worked there as an HR operations manager, dealt with all the operations. Then I moved to the IIM Ahmedabad. There I had a exploration in different types of research, specifically qualitative versus quantitative and the mixed research methods. Now serving as a research associate with NTPC School of Business.
Right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Singh.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Mr. Rajesh Kashyap.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a science graduate from Delhi University, and after that, I've done professional diploma in pharmaceutical marketing management. I have around 25 years of experience. Out of that, 15 years in pharmaceutical industry, and from last 10 years in training and development. So I'm a self-employed corporate trainer. I'm also the master trainer for Life Science Sector Skill Development Corporation. And I've worked with in last 10 years almost with 50 different organizations in private sector and government sector. And most of the time the feedback is good and I'm enjoying training, and thanks to ISTD, it really happens when I completed my course from ISTD. And I learned a lot and then utilized with my 15 years of experience. And it will be my privilege to be part in some of the activities with Delhi chapter. Thank you very much.
Right. Okay. Thank you. Welcome.
Mr. Ankit Singh was also a speaker yesterday with Dr. Reshmi ji.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. So anybody would like to ask any questions or seek any clarifications? You're welcome.
Ajay this is Colonel Ghoshal again. I just have a clarification. Suppose like I have my army background experience, plus I have been into the been abroad. I've been an instructor on personality development. Now, if I want to be a guide here in ISTD and take some classes when the ISTD opens, what is the procedure for that? And is there any honorarium which is given to these guides and all that, those who are trying to do their T&D? Because I feel with my experience, I can be of help to them, taking classes, how exactly a class, why people don't qualify in the interviews, what is personality development, then body language, stress management, yoga, all these kind of things. Is there any scope for that?
Yeah, sure. There are two ways you can become a faculty for ISTD diploma students. One is through ISTD national headquarters, the other is through ISTD Delhi chapter. Right now, for the 84th batch, all the contact classes are being done by national headquarters. So for that, you need to get in touch with Mr. Raghu Raman, who from the NHQ side, he coordinates the faculties. So Arun will put on the chat box his number, so you can get in touch with him. As far as ISTD Delhi chapter is concerned, we conduct the classes for the second and third semester right now. So possibly next semester, we do not know whether for the second semester NHQ would like to do it centrally or not. If it is given to us, definitely you can get in touch with Mr. Y.N. Kaushal. He coordinates the classes, contact classes for on behalf of Delhi chapter. Arun will again give his number to you. Maybe you can get in touch with Mr. Y.N. Kaushal. Actually, let me finish. Yeah. And as far as being a mentor for some student of the diploma course for the project which they do, again, you can get in touch with Mr. Y.N. Kaushal, because just before this meeting, we had another meeting with the students, of ISTD diploma course, and some of them actually are on the lookout for guides and mentors. So
Oh, that's good.
you can definitely get in touch with Mr. Kaushal, and he will pair you up with any student who would be on the lookout for mentorship. All right. Yeah. Now, Colonel Ghoshal, you were saying.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Mr. Ajay. And Arun has been of great help in the past few days. He has been, after we got your mail, he has been helping me throughout. I want to thank him for that also.
Okay. Okay. Right.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.
We can see one Mr. Yogesh Srivastava is also online. Maybe whether he would like to say something.
Good evening to all the faculty members, and thank you for inviting, sir. Thank you for this. And I was in the class.
One correction, Yogesh. We are not faculty members. We are management committee member of Delhi chapter.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. This is a small correction.
Thank you, sir. So I was in class, sir. That's why I joined late. Thank you so much for inviting in with Delhi chapter. So I have also joined here. So I want to tell you about myself. My name is Yogesh Srivastava. I am a national training manager in Oriflame, India, and I take care of wellness category national. Working in training profile since 2007, and taking care of all the trainings related to motivational seminars or related to all the trainings which are for sales skills, professional skills, in direct selling, as well as in operational trainings for employees who are in companies like mobile industry, Airtel, Gioni. So I have trained them also. So this is my profile, sir. Thank you so much for inviting. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Srivastava. Any other questions, queries, clarifications?
Yeah, Mr. Sahu, I wanted to check, do we have like a member directory for national chapter or Delhi chapter where we could learn about other members, connect with them?
Mr. Jain?
No, at present we don't have any, but work is going on to upload the members' name, because what happens, Amit ji, a lot of members not very comfortable giving their mobile number and email on the public domain. So that's why there is a delay. Although some work is going on in Delhi chapter, we are having a list of all the members of Delhi chapter, but we are not sharing because people don't want to be disturbed. That is the problem.
So do we have groups or LinkedIn communities where we can get in touch with others?
So we are getting in touch with LinkedIn community. I have seen that, and I have been part of one of the group of ISTD.
Yeah, LinkedIn we are having Delhi chapter. Even Delhi chapter is having a LinkedIn address.
I'll join today, sir.
Right. And we would also encourage you to go to our site, Delhi chapter site, and you would get lots of information.
Please visit regularly Delhi chapter site and suggest how we can improve that site, and how you people like Yogesh ji, you can be a speaker since you are having 15 years experience. You can be a speaker. You can share your experiences with Oriflame or some other company with our members. So that will be a great. That's why we have kept a program, evening lecture series by the member for the member. So everybody here is invited. Please send your request to Arun. Arun will share with Madam Prathama Kaushal, who's the program coordinator in our chapter. I forget to invite Mr. Kaushal, who's diploma coordinator, Madam Kaushal, who's program coordinator, likewise. So anyway, next meeting we'll invite all these people.
Can I come in?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, please.
Jain sir, there is a small solution. You said we a lot of members and members do not want to make their numbers public. And just a vague suggestion which I'm mooting is, can we circulate one email to all? Ki yes, your name, your telephone number or email, and subject of interest. Probably if that data bank we have with all of us, so we can be of great use to each other. For example, I'm just taking example. I'm doing something good in community issues or government issues. So that should be known to my friends in ISDN, or somebody, for example, here wants to work in particular NGO, or we want to do mentoring. So that helps me to narrowing down to particular, help each other can extend. So it may be a little vague, but yes, if somebody volunteers, we asked, just shoot a mail to all of our members. Can we have your permission to share your area of expertise, name, and email ID? Phone is also not required. That's just an idea, probably for consideration.
Yeah.
Okay,
Very good,
we'll discuss internally and we'll come back to you.
Sure.
That's why we have organized this interaction meeting, so that we can know each and other. Although out of 100 members, only 12, 13 members have joined today. So we'll make another attempt to invite more members, giving more time to them.
Yeah.
So that, we are having more members, so that we can have such kind of interaction and able to know each other and their experiences and expertise likewise.
Yes, that's right. So that's, for example, I want to talk something with Mr. Ajay or Mr. Amit or something that kind. And I know these are the areas of his expertise, or where probably I can take his wisdom with me. So that'll help us to be more professional. Outputs can be much better. That's all. That's a suggestion.
Sure.
Thank you.
And for everything, Arun is single point contact in ISTD. Immediately he will talk to Mr. Sahu, Mr. Sastri, Mr. Arpit, me, or concerned people to reach out to you and solve your problems.
Sure. Thank you.
At the end, I would request Mr. Sastri to give his concluding remarks. Mr. Sastri, sir.
Yes, it is wonderful to interact with the new members who are highly learned. I can see Dr. Rakesh Malhotra having a lot of experience in several sectors, including government sector. We have Mr. Amit Goel, a young professional entrepreneur. We have Mr. Yogesh Srivastav, a fairly long experience in the field of L&D. We have Madam Ankita, who is a lawyer by profession, Mr. Bharat Bhushan, Mr. Rajesh Kashyap, Mr. Ankit Singh, Madam Pallavi, who is a fashion designer. We have Colonel Ashok Ghoshal. Maybe he can also be one of the speakers. In fact, all the members who are connected today can be good speakers for our evening talk sessions, and we request them to come forward with their topics, and the chapter will be glad to organize the evening sessions. We have Neha Shukla, who is from the same sector for which I worked for almost 37 years, EIL. Dr. Reshmi Manna, we had a very good session yesterday. And the dry subject like data science, the data analytics, she explained in such a lucid manner that it was very easy to understand. And it was a wonderful experience. And I, along with all the team members, the chairman, Mr. Mukesh Jain, honorary secretary, Mr. Ajay Sahu, our treasurer, Mr. Arpit Suri, and the support team like Mr. Alok and Mr. Arun. I really thank each one of you to spare your time in this interaction organized today. And as Mr. Mukesh Jain said, that although the attendance was not too much, but we always know as trainers and otherwise as management professionals that it is the quality which matters more than the numbers. But yes, had the been number more, we would have happier. But nevertheless, we are very happy. So I again extend a very warm welcome to each one of you, and thank you very much once again. Namaste.
Thank you. Thank you, Namaskar.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Sastri ji. Thank you. Ankita,
Thanks
you are
all.
in Delhi or Bombay?
Sorry, sir.
You are in Delhi or Bombay?
Sir, I'm currently in Nagpur, but I'll be soon moving to Delhi.
Okay.
Madam,
So you told that you are having experience in Bombay.
Madam
That's
will
why
bring
I asked.
oranges for us.
3-year experience.